Hey, what's up, guys? It's Eric from Cali Rebuilds. We're here back again with the 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. As you can see, we changed the mirrors. Let's open this baby up. It's a little dirty. We'll wash it at the end. So we finally got it started. It's a small issue on the relay. Nothing too serious. There you go. Cat is on. Just got one TPS light that does not turn on. Some loose wires. Charm, baby. I knew this baby would turn on. Got some small, things here and there. I noticed the other day that they've been drifting. Just turn it off a little. So I gotta change this back glass today. Oh, gotta take off the door panel, the glass, and everything here. It's all old glue. Wow, they've been burning their tires out. Look at that. Shit. Almost every single bottom cover and fender liner is broken or missing. Yeah, you could tell they've been abusing it, but hey, you know what? What do you expect from a Hellcat? We got a whole new battery. The rebuilt one, couldn't turn it on. So it's fucking trashed up. Bunch of coins, like, bro, there's, oh my God, there's a lot of ganja in there too. So we put this cover completely back. It's all good. Let's turn this baby on one more time. Get the metal cover, put that all back for now. So we got check engine light and just that's pretty much it. It's not bad. Oh, this thing's a beast. It's running perfect. 707, but I gotta make a red key. And let's see, is this piece in? Yeah, this piece is in. Okay, this piece is almost here. Oh, the headlights got water in it. Oh, that's not good. This one's clean. This one got water in it. But it's okay. We turned off the red power switch. Bumper got some damage. Oh, let's see. Oh, that thing's a beast. Oh, I kind of like these Hellcats now. I'm gonna probably buy a couple more after this. I'm looking at the Trackhawk though, but this thing's bad. Nice engine, dash is clean. Oh, we got the star lights too. I forgot about those. Let's try to reconnect them. Pennies now. Nice. the hell? The horn doesn't work. Okay, guys, let's take a look. So the horn doesn't work, guys. We're gonna take a look at that. Just follow and subscribe for more. We're gonna release more videos and more projects to come, guys. Take care and bye from Cali Rebuilt.